My name is Eunice Sampon-Sadazi. I have a background in agriculture and I am currently an intern at the Forum for Agricultural Research in Africa.
Hello, my name is Emanuela G. Amankwa. I work with Cruise Crystal as a client service. When I'm not working, I'm at the kitchen trying new recipes or reading.
I am Judith Alomatu. I'm a telemarketer at XCMG Tontra Ghana Limited.
Before the fellowship, my knowledge in data analysis was basic, like using Excel to do basic academic research. But from the knowledge I've gained from the training so far, I can use tools like Power BI to do data visualization and then SQL for database management.
The most valuable aspect of this training has been my access to Data Camp. Data Camp has really been helpful in my journey in data analytics. Joining as a beginner, I can confidently say that I am now a pro due to my consistency and strictly on Data Camp.
My experience with Blossom Academy has been a very insightful one. But for someone who has no knowledge in data analytics, and this has been my first experience, it's been quite an eventful one. I've enjoyed my time here. I've learned skills, a lot of skills I'm applying in my current job too as well, which I would recommend to every person to join or be a part of Blossom Academy.